just down at the beach here. First outing with Vanquish 540 down at the beach, and got a couple of targets. Just found one here and just dug up this ring here. It's got no markings on the inside, so I don't know whether it's real or fake, but yeah, pretty happy with that. So might do a bit of research and we'll get back to you on it, but we'll carry on and hopefully meet you at another target. Okay, found another signal. I was bringing up, I think it was about a 19 on the Vanquish. And it took a while to dig it out. Found this, it's like an earring. It's pretty cool. Good to see the Vanquish is picking up some stuff, so we'll carry on to the next target. Okay, so we're on to another target. This one's close to the surface. Bringing up, I don't know if you can see that, sorry, it's got the dust cover on. Bringing up a 15-16, it's only about 4 inches down. Dug a little bit of a hole, so we'll just go in and see what we can find. Get the old pinpointer out. There we go. What have we got there? Looks like some sort of ring. Yeah, I think it might just be a junk ring, so we will clean this up, and I'll put a photo up later in the video, have a closer look at home. Nice one. See you on the next hole. Hey guys, we're back at one of my favourite spots, and today we've got my new detector, the Vanquish 540, and we've picked up a good signal here. If you can see that, picking up a 25, nice solid signal. Said it was about 6 inches down, so I've dug a hole here, and we'll see if we can find it. It doesn't look like it's in the hole. Okay, it's out of the hole. There it is, I can spot it there. What we got there? Oh, looks like another, is that a threepence maybe? I'll just pause the video and we'll clean it up. I'll come back. Okay, I'll need to clean this up a little bit better at home, but I can actually see that it's an American 1 dime. Haven't found the date on it yet, so that's pretty cool. We'll carry on. At the end of the video I'll clean it up when I get home, and we'll give you a better view of it. Okay, so we've got another good signal. This one is 23 at 24. Nice and strong, small targets, so I think we'll dig this one up. Okay, so it was a solid signal, it was about 6-7 inches down. But it's just a common garden 2-cent coin, no longer in circulation in New Zealand, but it's another coin nonetheless, so that's cool. We will keep on going. Okay, so that's where the last target was, and then just over here I rang up another target, a solid 18, and got myself another coin. Can't quite make out what it says. 1 cent on it. I'm thinking it's American, but yeah, it's pretty cool. Once again, I'm going to clean this up when I get home, and then we'll put a photo at the end. So yeah, another coin. Happy with that. Cheers. Okay, so we're still out hunting, haven't found any targets for a while, but I was just sweeping up here and caught this out of the corner of my eye. Nice little surface find there. So $10, we'll take that. It's all part of the game and the hunt. Nice one.